How to select a drop-down menu value with Selenium using Python. I need to select an element from a drop-down menu. For example, First I have to click on it. I do this. 2. After that I have to select the good element, let's say mango. I tried to do it with input element fruits.send_keys ... but it did not work.
Unless your click is firing some kind of AJAX call to populate your list, you don't actually need to execute the click. Just find the element and then enumerate the options, selecting the options you want. Here is an example. You can read more in this URL.
Selenium provides a convenient select class to work with select option constructs. See also, what is the correct way to select in using Selenium's Python WebDriver?
I hope this code will help you. Drop-down element with id. Drop-down element with spath. Drop-down element with CSS selector. Selecting banana from a drop-down. Using the index of drop-down. Delement.select by _index1. Using the value of drop-down. Delement.select by _value1. You can use match the text which is displayed in the drop-down. Delement.select by _visible _text banana.
Firstly, you need to import the select class and then you need to create the instance of select class. After creating the instance of select class, you can perform select methods on that instance to select the options from drop-down list. Here is the code.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.